Ew, gross.
Did you find the remote control yet?
Nope, not yet. Jimmy, how do you live in here? It's really gross.
Did you check the pizza box?
Why would I check the pizza?
Found it! Leave it to Ellie Sparkles to miss the most obvious place to look. Here's a little tip of advice. If you keep the remote in the pizza box, you'll never lose it again. Plus, bonus, pepperoni.
Ew, gross, Jimmy. How old is that pepperoni? And how much stuff do you have in here that you need to clean up?
What? What are you talking about? I have everything I could possibly need in this room. Pizza, check. Basketball, check. Life-size cutout of meat, check. This room is perfect and it simply cannot be improved upon.
I don't know about that, Jimmy.
Well, I do know
Oh,
about that. So
yeah?
yeah.
Well, take a
You
look
think
at
that it's
my
a
room.
mess?
It's
Well, I
really-
don't-
Are you guys fighting over your rooms again?
No. Yes. Jimmy's room is really gross and I don't want to spend another second in here.
Well, who's stopping you? The door's right there.
I think this is the perfect time for my new challenge. It's time for you two to learn how the other side lives. It's the Switch Bedrooms Challenge.
Switch bedrooms with her? No way.
I don't think so.
The challenge begins now. Now.
Jimmy, don't you jump on my bed with those disgusting sneakers.
Hello? Oh, it appears that I am finally in Princess Ellie's room, the most magical, whimsical place on earth. Let's do a little grand tour-a-rooney, shall we? Ugh, it's so bright and colorful in here. There's no mess, there's no clutter at all. How does she live like this? She doesn't even have a pizza box for her remote control. What a noob move. What should I do first? Ugh, there's all these pillows on the bed. You can't even rest on the bed. Ugh, let's do something about that. Now to give this bed a little bounce test. Ellie, I'm bouncing on your bed, and I didn't even take my sneakers off. I'm not taking my sneakers off. I'm in Ellie's room now.
Oh, you better be lying, Jimmy. I'm coming in there.
Hold on, Ellie. If you leave the room, you lose the challenge.
But Jimmy, his shoes are on my
You
bed.
don't want to lose to Jimmy now, do you?
Well, that's true. Jimmy, you're so lucky that Coach Rocco stopped me from getting in there.
Now, come on. Relax. You can do that. Take a deep breath. You've got all day. You can make this room your own. Come on. You can do it. Remember, deep breaths.
Deep breaths. I can make this room my own. I just gotta clean it up a little bit. Right, Sparkle Squad? Deep breaths. Jimmy, I'm cleaning up all the garbage in your room. You're welcome. Also, why do you have so many banana peels in here?
What? No, don't touch my banana peels. I'm saving those for my Christmas presents.
Too late.
No! Ellie. All right. So that's how you want to do it, huh? You want to play games? Well, game on. Ellie versus Jimmy. Let's do this. What can I do to make Ellie really, really mad? There's not even anything in this room for me to mess up. All there is are those YouTube play buttons that Ellie's always bragging about. Oh, I'm Ellie Sparkles and I have millions of subscribers. Well, big deal. I have a YouTube channel too, you know, and I have 8 subscribers. 8 subscribers, that's all? I gotta get those numbers up. Ooh, maybe there's a quick way that I can do just that. And done. Voila! 1 million subscribers. I've gone viral. Wait till Ellie gets a load of this. Oh, Ellie, guess who just hit 1 million subs? Might want to check your phone.
I got a DM from Jimmy. Jimmy, that's my play button. I earned that, unlike you and your 5 subscribers.
Hey, no, I have 8 subscribers. Count them, 8. Shoot her.
What are 8 subscribers thinking of going on to Jimmy's channel? All it is him going, hey, Jimmaroonies, it's me, Jimmy. Do you want to learn how to do the spin-a-rooney? Whoops, I missed my shot again. Deep breath, Ellie, deep breath. Okay, Time to make this place my own. Happy Ellie. All right, first of all, let's get rid of you. Sorry, Jimmy. Sorry, not sorry. Now for some plants. E for Ellie. Let's get rid of this and that. And last but not least, where can we put these clothes? Oh, I have the perfect idea. Jimmy will love this. And send.
Are there any real basketballs in here? Come on, Ellie's gotta have one. Everyone's room does. Maybe in here? Oh, dolls? I didn't know Ellie had these. Well, this one's kinda cool. Kinda reminds me of my favorite teddy bear, Mr. Snuggles.
Hello there, Ellie Sparkles. It's nice to be in your room. You actually have a pretty cool room after all.
Oh, why, thank you, Mr. Man. I didn't know that I'd be entertaining guests today.
Yeah, I think I might stick around in this room for a while, if that's okay with you.
Of course, any time. Perhaps later we can have a tea party.
Yeah, well, I don't really like tea parties, but I suppose that's all right. How about a basketball tournament?
I don't really like basketball, except when I play with my good friend Jimmy, because he is the best basketball player in the whole school, you know.
Oh, yeah, Jimmy is totally awesome. In fact, I think he might be the cutest kid in school.
There, much better. Making Jimmy's room my own was a great piece of advice. I just have one more corner to go before I'm all done. What's this? A ukulele? My favorite! I didn't know Jimmy was taking lessons. I guess you learn something new every day. Now what should I play? I know a song.
And then my 300th favorite thing about Jimmy is that he always...
What's that sound? It sounds like a ukulele. It is a ukulele. Hey, Ellie, can you play that Trick or Treat song that we sung on Halloween?
Sure thing, Jimmy.
Oh boy, you guys are gonna love this one. It was a big hit in its day.
Trick or treat, smell my feet, give me something good to eat. Trick or treat, it's so neat, give me something good to eat. And it's totally awesome! Yeah!
Wow, I'm glad you brought the ukulele. You know, I've been meaning to take lessons.
Lessons? Awesome! I could totally give you lessons. I'll give you a quick pointer right now.
Hey guys, what's going on? Did somebody lose the challenge yet?
Not really, actually. We're really enjoying each other's rooms.
Yeah, did you know that Ellie's bedroom has the perfect setup for indoor basketball?
Yeah, and did you know that Jimmy is interested in learning ukulele?
Wow, you see, that was the point of the challenge, seeing somebody else's perspective. And since it was such a success, I'm thinking we could switch other things. Like maybe we switch Santa Claus with the Easter Bunny. Or pumpkins for Valentine's. Or leprechauns for the Tooth Fairy. Oh, no, we can't do that. No. When I was a kid, you know, someone told me that it was the leprechauns that came and took your teeth in the night. But no, it was the Tooth Fairy.